Hi passing scientists, my name is Jorge and today is a really special video because I am taking the challenge thrown by Black Pen Red Pen YouTube channel, which I love and follow regularly. And let's do maths for fun. Find the digit in the 1,000th decimal place of Champernowne's number, sorry for the pronunciation, I did my best, 0.12345, etc. Alright? But first of all I want to talk about place values, alright? So let's analyze this number and its positions. Here we have the millions, here we have the 100,000s, the 10,000s, the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, the ones, the decimal point, I made a comma in order to distinguish from the etc. And here we have the tenths, the hundreds, and thousands, and etc. Alright? So now I want to find out the number of digits, right? So let's analyze the tenths. Alright? Which go from 1 to 9. So we just have here 9 digits, right? So we have 9 digits from 1 to 9, the tenths. What happens with the hundreds? The hundreds, right? So what happens is that we have from 10 to 99, right? So what happens here? That we have 9 10 times, right? But not just that. Now we have 2 columns. We organize our digits in 2 columns of numbers, right? So instead of 1, we just have 1 here. So we have to multiply by 2, right? That's the method I used to apply. And that's just the hundreds, but let's say I want to take into consideration also both tenths and hundreds. So I just have to sum 9 digits, the previous 9 digits, so this is 189 digits. So I have 189 digits counting both tenths and hundreds. And now let's do the same with the thousands. Alright? The thousands. Alright? So here we have from 100 to 999. Right? So we just have to apply the same logic here. We have 9 100 times, right? But now we have 3 columns of numbers, and in order to have every single digit from tenths to thousands, we have to sum up 189, and this gives us 2,889 number of digits. I mean, I did this sum before. I don't know that like that, to be honest. And okay, so we have this one. And now what? We know the number of digits, but we want to know the digit in the 1,000th decimal place. So in order to do that, we have to say, hey, but first of all, our number is not in the thousands, so now what? But before writing down anything, let's say, hey, I want to analyze the 999 instead of 1,000, because like that I'm in the thousands, right? So, okay, so I want to have right here just the thousands. And to do that I have to remove this 189 because inside this number we have obviously the digits coming from the tens and the hundreds. So I have to remove 189, right? So like that we get 810 digits. 810 digits that just belong to the thousands because we have just removed the ones coming from the tens and the hundreds. And okay, we have this one. And now what? Watch out, because we have 3 digits. We have 3 columns, so we have to divide 810 by 3. Alright, we have to, well, let's put it in another way. Let's put it like this. We have 3. Right? And this is 270. Right? 270. What this number is telling us? That our digit right? We have 270, right? So we have our digit in the position number 270, okay? But if we start from just the thousands, that's why I removed it, and we have 270, and we have to add up 99, which gives us 369. So this would be our number, but hey, wait a second. We are calculating the 999th decimal place, not the 100. So this is not the number we are asked for. So what should we do? We just have to add 1 because we are right here. We are in the 999th decimal place, but we want the 1000th decimal place. So we just have to add 1, and we get 370, right? So if the number 9 right here was our 999th decimal place, our 1000th decimal place is the 3, because we just go from 9 to the first one, to the first one of the next 3 numbers. I think that you understand. So we have 3. The answer is 3. But I always like to, I have a little bit of time, so I wanna point out another example in order to show you that this method works. And sorry about the rubber. Oh my goodness, this is a mess. But all right, so I think that was clear. And now, let's say, I thought about an example before during this video, so let's think about 765, alright? So here it's even more simple because directly we're in the thousands. We don't have to suppose, hey, let's start with the 999. Anything of that is required or is necessary here in this example. We just have to remove 189 as before because we want to focus on the thousands. And what happens? That we have 576 is the answer right here. So, okay, so now we just have to divide by 3 because we are in the thousands and we are classifying the thousands in columns of 3, as you know. So here, I did this one before, so it's 192, alright, 192. So our number is in the position 192, starting from the 99 because we are in the thousands. So 1000 is the first one. Okay, so we just have to add 99. So here we have 291. But as we are inside the thousands, we don't have to apply any trick or think about, hey, this is our number. This is actually our final number. So the digit in the 765th decimal place is the number 1. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this explanation. And as always, this has to be done with passion. So keep it up and see ya.